Hey everybody, wanted to do a quick market update in Northern Colorado. What we're seeing right now that we're mid-September, so we're finally over the end of summer mad dash for last minute vacations and the craziness of laser focus on getting back to school, items taken care of, and kids and everything settled in the household. So once we hit past Labor Day, we've seen a pretty good uptick in houses going under contract, which means more buyers are getting out there. They're like, okay, now that we're past all of this end of summer craziness, now I can switch my brain back over to house hunting and to real estate. So we're definitely seeing an uptick. It's not substantial, but it's there, and it's definitely movement from what we saw in August. Again, that's normal. We're also seeing interest rates down, so we're about 6.5%, which is lower than what we've seen in 15 months. So those are all positive things that are helping buyers get back out there. It's not a mad dash, because we still are in an election year, and we're just kind of the waiting and seeing of what happens, uncertainty. So people's just kind of sit and wait. I think depending on which party gets elected, we can see that should recover pretty quickly. Or it could take clear until January, February, March until we really see that. There's a big meeting happening soon with the feds, and with all of the experts predicting that interest rates will get cut as a result from that as well. So those two things, if this big announcement does come from the feds coming soon and they do cut interest rates, that might actually overcome or overcompensate the fears of the election. So I think the next couple of weeks will be a good indicator of how the rest of the year is going to go, depending on if their interest rates do actually get cut and by how much, and if that does push a huge wave of buyers back into the market. So still a little bit of wait and see, but overall it's generally healthy, but you just got to price your house right. Sellers, it's a slower time. Just know that you got to reset your expectations, and just price it right and have some patience. But it's not a bad time in the market either. It's just a holding pattern with some normal slowdown. So that's it. I'm Nicole Johnson with CoVision Real Estate Group here in Northern Colorado. I live where I live, and I want to help you do the same.